has been good. I have to give thanks, alhamdulillah. The meet before had some challenges, so we couldn't participate. We went to the drawing board, sort out the issues, 95% of them, and we're out. So far, I'm competing in IP1 and Super Street. I did a podium finish for the second race. After the first race was a little bit slippery on the track because of the rain, but we got beautiful sunshine for the second race. Came out shining.
Thank you for watching another video production of 876 Streets. Subscribing to our channel definitely means a lot to us. Thanks for your continuous support.